But okay. All right. Yes.
Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir, I have no objection to a minority institution being in this country because that's a constitutional...
One point.
I am mentioning the correction of what he said.
He said your name.
He said all that.
Yes. Okay.
So I am mentioning I have no objection to a minority institution, education institution. That's the constitutional right. However, Article 27 and several other articles prohibit the state from financing a minority institution. Yes. Wait a minute, you don't know the Constitution.
Okay.
You know only the Italian Constitution.
No, that is... No, please. Why you provoke?
They don't know the Constitution.
That is expensive.
They may know the Italian Constitution.
No, why do you provoke? Expense. That is expense. Why do you provoke?
What did I say?
Why do
they interrupt me? Yeah. Why are they interrupting?
You finished.
Why they are interrupting?
Okay. You made your point.
ISI. They should not interrupt me if they don't want me to comment. You're all ISI. Now let me clarify.
Okay, now you go back. What? One of you go and say. One of you go and say what do you want. I don't know. One of you go and say what do you want.
No, that is for rating, but
you go and say from your seat. You go to your seat. What do you want? One of you say. Okay, you made your point now.
One point is left. You
already made your point.
Let them not interrupt me.
No.
And they are making all kinds of allegations. I can also make allegations.
Go to your seat.
There he is.
Go to your seat.
Shame on him. KGB,
go to your seat. What is your problem? No. Go to your seat and speak. You go to your seat and speak. Why do you do like this? No, I tell you, see, coming and shouting to the well in the well will produce no result. What do you... Mr. Seelam, I will have to name you. You sit down. I am only telling you what you have to say. Go to your seat and say so that I understand. You all shout. I don't know why you are shouting. Now, what is the point? I have only 2 years. You are unnecessarily spoiling the euro hour. I agree with you. Subramania Swami, you see, you made your point. I got your point. Now you sit down.
One more point.
Your point is over.
I have to clarify.
Subramania Swami,
I have to clarify.
You said what you want. Now you sit down.
Yes, I am saying now. I am making only. I am making only Indian constitutional points.
This is a deliberate attempt to subvert your hour. I am not in agreement with this.
Withdraw what?
अरे वो जो बोल चुका, he gave his explanation aloud. Why you are doing? अरे what is your complaint? I am not understanding. Mr. Ghulam Nabi Asad, tell me what is the complaint.
Problem is this new gift. Problem is this new gift of